what compiler will do in this entire statement, compiler will come here. Compiler will come here and check the condition, right? So first it will evaluate the condition, and this is which condition? This is which condition? Boolean Boolean expression. Okay, so Boolean expression gives results always true or
True or false.
false, right? So if the condition is true, then it will go which side? This side. If condition is false, it will go this side, but it will not go both sides. Okay, the flow will move either left or right. Okay, so in this msg variables are what? Memory block. Okay, variables are what? Which reserve some block, I mean block of memory for particular data. Okay, so in this variable, what will store? Either it will store high or it will store by. But how you will get to know which message will it store? So based on the condition. Okay, first of all we have to identify whether this condition is true or false, right? So this condition is what? This condition is true. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5, so condition is true. Okay, if condition is true, it will ignore this side. It will ignore this side. What it will do? Ignore this side, else part. Okay, and in the message, what it will store? It will store high, right? So if you will print this message, what you will get? You will get high message. So this is what? Ternary operator. Because how many operands are there? This is the first operand, right? And this is the second operand, and this one is third operand, followed by else, right? Let's try to see it practically as well.
Excuse me, Naved.
Yes, yes, please tell me.
If by is, if we typed already by here, no?
Hmm.
If it is true and if it is high is for ignore, so
Hmm.
what will be there?
uh
In message it will be stored in by.
no, for that we need to keep the condition false, then only it will store the by. Otherwise it will never store by, right? Now, so let me
Why it
just
will take only first one only, not last one?
uh why it will take first one? Because of this condition. Okay,
Okay.
let's try to understand it with example for more clarity. Okay,
Okay.
so if I write here print hello, okay, and I have written here if 2 equal to 2, right? Else print no hello. So what it will print? See, I have written how many print statement? Two statement. One is this, one is this. But which operator we are using? We are using this all together. This complete expression all together is what? It is a ternary operator. Okay, so here first it will ignore everything and it will focus here. PVM will focus here and check whether condition is true or false. If condition is true, it will print this one. Okay, not complete, but this one. If condition is false, it will print this one. So can you please tell me what will be the answer?
Hello.
No, no,
So
hello.
answer is
Hello.
hello.
Oh.
Okay. And if I write here, A is equals to A. If 3 equals to 2, else B. Okay, I mean, I have to write here assignment operator as well. Okay, so if I will print a here, can you tell me what will be the answer, what it will print?
B, B, sir. Bigger
It will
expression.
print b. How it is evaluating this expression? See,
The condition will be
first it will
false.
check the condition. So condition is false. So will it move this side? No, it will not move this side because this condition is false. If condition is false, it will go else part, and at else part, what I mentioned b. So what it will store in a variable, it will store b. So you can see it is printing b.